9 gardening tips that will help you get your plants ready for September. Give your soil a nutrient boost. Top-dress soil with compost or aged manure to replenish nutrients, boosting late-season vegetable and flower growth. Prune and deadhead strategically. Prune and deadhead spent blooms to encourage fall flowering, trim leggy herbs for fresh growth, and prevent invasive seed spread. Protect tender plants from cool nights. Use frost cloths or row covers and move potted basil, cucumbers, and ornamentals near structures to shield from cool nights. Plant cool season crops now. Sow lettuce, spinach, radishes, kale, and other cool season greens in warm September soil for quick harvests and continued fall production. Divide and transplant perennials. Lift, split, and replant overgrown perennials such as daylilies, hostas, and echinacea in cooler September weather for healthier winter-ready growth. Remove diseased or damaged growth. Remove diseased leaves and stems promptly. Discard in trash to prevent pathogens, and clear infested foliage to stop overwintering pests. Mulch to lock in warmth and moisture. Apply organic mulch to retain moisture, trap soil warmth, suppress weeds, and extend growth of root vegetables, avoiding stem rot. Adjust your watering schedule. Monitor soil moisture instead of rigid schedules. Water less often but deeply, adjusting for hot spells and cooler, damp conditions. Plan ahead for first frost. Note your first frost date to harvest tender crops, install cold frames, overwinter plants, and stagger plantings for harvest.